Hi everyone. So right now we have a popped tire, and today we're going to repair this tire. So the first step is to remove this tire. We're going to remove this air-filled part of the wheel, like this part, and we're just gonna remove it out, I guess. Now we're gonna fill this thing up with air, and if we feel the hole, then we can just patch it up and it's good to go. If we can't, we'll use an alternative. Here's the hole, so we can just pop it. So yeah, here is the hole. Yeah, there's a few cracks. Okay, well, we found the hole. There are a few patches here, and we need to use something rough like sandpaper or anything that can scrape off a surface, and we will just go like this to help us remove all like the dirty stuff, so that way when we patch it up, it will patch up like the most effectively. Also, it will get rid of the layer that is like that has already had a lot of like rough surfaces. I use this type of sandpaper to scrub on this because the other one was a little weak and I needed something even more strong. Also, your finished result should look a lot darker than the other scratched off area. So when you're done sandpapering, you can see that it's much darker than the rest of the other areas, which are much lighter. So yeah, once you see this around the holes, then you can just stop sandpapering and start patching up the hole. And we're first gonna use this rubber cement cream to rub over the darkened area, so that way it doesn't have any more of those lighter how do you say it, garbage stuff. Use this and you pour a little on here. There you go. And make sure to like spread it evenly. Now that we spread it evenly, now we need to make sure this thing is dry. So you can just use your mouth to blow. So yeah, this would be dry really quickly. So out of all of these sizes, this one I think fits the most perfectly, and we can just get rid of this plastic part and use this orange part to cover over this entire thing. And you should also try to do it as evenly as possible. Patched it, you want to shove it in there so that way it's covering everything. And when you think it's ready, it's ready, and put it back in the tube. Also, make sure that this thing goes inside the hole, or else you're gonna have to take it out again. So yeah, just push it in like that. Then you can just push the rest of the. So yeah, So yeah, now the last thing we need to do is push it back in, like push Okay, so now that all the tires patched up, the leaking part was also patched up, we can retry filling this thing back up with air. So there you go. This thing's filled back up with air and it's not leaking anymore.